Hey, this is Yogeshkumar Rathod. Very few among the highest degrees achiever in the world. Welcome you all to my first blog. Regarding my first blog, I would like to discuss my childhood. I've studied throughout my childhood in English medium school. Till 10th, I used to study in a very lighter mode, but 11th, 12th, I've slogged myself to become an engineer. I've become an engineer in got a degree in mechanical engineering from Indian Institute of Technology, IIT Delhi. Soon after I graduated, I prepared myself for GATE examination, Graduate Aptitude Test in Engineering, in which I scored high percentile and got admission in masters in energy studies from Indian Institute of Technology, Delhi. As soon as I post-graduated from Indian Institute of Technology, I got a job opportunity under a project and worked as a senior scientific officer in government project. As the project got over, I came back to my native place and applied for lectureship in SVNIT. I worked there for 1 year there, and after that I joined Kopargaon Engineering College as a lecturer. During family circumstances, I came back to my native place and joined in a private firm, chemical and textile industry. I worked there as an administrative post. I joined for a PhD program at Indian Institute of Technology, Bombay. but due to personal reason I left that job and studies and came back to my native place. I joined as an administrative post in a private firm and later on worked as a lecturer in engineering college in my native place. I went to United States of America and there worked as a senior scientific officer in George Washington University and Harvard University. And came back to India. I've got teaching and engineering subjects, administrative experience, and teaching computer courses. I'll give you more information later. Thanking you.